Hey guys, welcome to my channel How to Learn. In this video, I want to explain about how to install Gosu in Windows. First of all, open your favorite browser and go to Gosu official website. And let's click on this. Here if you observe, there is a download option, right? Let me go to the Gosu distribution and click on the download Gosu zip file. If you observe, the download not started, right? I don't know why, but sometimes we are facing some issue. This website we are not able to download this zip file. So what I have done means I have downloaded this zip file earlier and uploaded it into my repository. So I'll just paste this link in the description. You can just clone the repo and from there you can get this zip file if you are not able to download. Okay, now have this zip file in my local. Now another requirement is you should have Java installed in your machine because this Gosu was developed based on the Java. Okay, if you want to run this Gosu, you need Java installed in your local, and the requirement is we need minimum Java version 1.8. Okay, I have Java installed in my machine. Let's check it. To confirm once again, if you also have JDK 1.8 installed. Now let me extract its zip file. Let me click on extract here. Now I have this Gosu extracted. Let me go to the bin path and click on the double click on the gosu.cmd. You observe we got some image of car representing Gosu lab. Now we'll get an ID opened. Let's wait for a few moments. Okay. Yeah. If you observe, we have some Gosu lab open here. Now what I need to do means I need to just try to write some code and execute it. Here I need to click on the run option. Then I'll get my data printed in the console. Let's wait for a few seconds. We'll get the output printed here. If you observe, we have the output, right? Now I hope you guys got it. How to install Gosu in your machine and how to run the code. Okay, let's meet in our future tutorials. Thank you guys.